Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I am heading to KL to watch Avengers for the second time. I watched the first time in Johor Bahru and it was amazing, but now I'm gonna watch with my other friend again.
Are
you excited for Avengers?
Yes, since I haven't read any trailers.
Spoilers. Reviews are spoilers. Excited for Avengers? We are at GSC My Town with Mimi and Jimmy. We're gonna watch Avengers.
You're gonna watch it for the second time.
Yeah, I'm watching for the second time. They're gonna watch for the first time.
But you shall not say a word about it.
No spoilers. Kita akan tengok.
Avengers.
Hey guys, so we just finished with the Avengers Endgame. I watched it for the second time with my friend. Okay, korang, how was the Avengers? Sedih tak?
It gave me goosebumps.
Spoiler.
Nanti you tahulah kenapa sedih dan goosebumps itu ya.
Macam ni Avenger?
Cakap yang Captain Marvel tu tak function. She came up earlier with her short hair. Who she think she is? Nothing. Jon Snow, you are nothing.
Ani?
Heboh lah dia heboh. Macam ni sekarang.
Hi guys, so currently I'm waiting for my other friends because he have the key to the room. So I'm just waiting at the lobby area. Which is kind of cool, kind of pretty. Kita di mana, Jimmy?
Velocity Hotel.
Yeah. What are we doing, girls?
Smooches. Kita buat party bogey.
Lah, yes.
This is our brothel for today, for tonight.
But high level brothel.
Yes.
Unlike the one that we
Level.
went. Rules are counting.
Tit. Okay, get ready. First impression?
Si level kata siapa? Dia kata
Satu, dua, tiga. Lah, cabangan. It's 12 o'clock right now and we are going to
party.
Lah. Staycation. So just now the karaoke place is full, so we have to wait probably another half an hour before we can go and sing.
Ada ringgit tak?
Kita mulakan dengan Adele ya.
You're the one I can't that you are the reason.
Takkan ku kau berurusan lagi ku ada kamu.
Gak ada segala impian seluruh dunia, gak akan selalu tulus, oh setulus dia.
Kau kekasih awal dan akhir, kau kekasih zahir dan batin. Kau bukan duniaku, tulus dan suci.
So that's all for my weekend getaway with my friends. I'm off to bed. Good night.